Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show an exciting trick. How to cast mobile screen on computer. It will be very useful for us. If we can screen recording in our mobile phone, then it will really help us. And we can also watch our mobile in big screen. Not only that, you can also control your mobile phone from computer. It is too exciting. So let's go started. First of all, you need an application that is Dr. Phone from Wondershare. So as it is a paid software, we have to purchase it, but you can also use crack version. You can search for it in YouTube how to use crack version of Dr. Phone. So here I'm gonna open this application. Here you will get a lot of features. They are also useful. You can also recover your deleted data from here. So as we want to mirroring our phone screen, we have to click on screen recorder. Before it, go to your phone and here go to settings option. And in settings, scroll down, and here you will get an option about phone. Tap on it, then again scroll down, and here tap on software version 3 or 5 times. Then go to back, and here you will get your phone developer option. Tap on it, and enable your developer option. Then scroll down and here you will get an option USB debugging. We have to enable it, but before enable it, connect your phone with computer by USB cable. Then enable USB debugging. Now go to your computer screen and here click on screen recorder. Click here. And here click on here we go. Then select your device. Now it takes some time for connecting. And finally we can see it's connected. Now you can see my phone mirroring in computer. Here you can open any application as your wish. You can also control it to your computer. I hope this tutorial will helpful for you. It is a new technology which provides us some extra facilities. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.